This right here is a game back from 2012 when Johnny Manziel and Texas A&M took on Alabama at their home, and it's an iconic moment because it was a game that Texas A&M was ranked behind Alabama, and Alabama, as you know, is a powerhouse. And this play right here is early in the game, and it kind of set the tempo of the game as a whole, and kind of showed how elusive Johnny Manziel really is. So early on, he's going to drop back for a pass. Pocket kind of breaks down a little bit, so he tries to make something happen. Fumbles, catches it, sees a receiver downfield, and throws a touchdown pass. And for those of you that don't know football, that's a pretty tough play to do. I'm gonna go ahead and rewind it for you. With people in your face coming at you, D1 talent, with the speed they have to be able to do that, escape the pocket, and still keep your eyes downfield to throw that ball at a target like that. Uh, it was a very amazing thing he did. And college football, it's one of those moments you look back on and it's just fun to watch, and shows how amazing of a football player he was, and especially against a team like Alabama.